Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at numerical reasoning, short test 8. Okay, so, right. Question number 1. Question number 1, we are given a Cartesian coordinates. So we got the x and y axis, but we got all 4 quadrants. So we got the positive x, the negative x, positive y, and the negative y. So let's see how we work with these. Okay. He says if shape A, okay, right, shape A is rotated 180 degrees clockwise about 0, 0 to give shape B, mark the new coordinates of D for shape B. Okay, so let's go back again. So there's D, and we're going to rotate this shape about 0, 0. So about 0, 0 means that we are going to connect this shape with this shape here. Okay, whoops, slightly off. So, and we're going to turn it around 180 degrees. So we'll go to there. Okay, right. Okay, as the shape A is rotated from the 0, 0 position, what we need, I call this the rod technique. We connect the shape with the rod, the blue rod here, and we rotate the whole thing, the rod and the shape around 180 degrees, and then the shape A will end up over here. Now point D will end up where? Will end up here. And it wants the coordinates at that point, so it's going to be -4 along the x and -2 along the y. So D is going to be -4, -2. And that's how you do that kind of question. Okay. Just as a bit of a side note, this is the kind of question that I teach for my GCSE maths class for students who are in year 11. Okay, so they've managed to slip this into kids who are 10 years old. Amazing. Okay, that's question 1A done. Now, the next question. Give me the sheet. Okay, the next question. Okay, so we got that one. I'm going to clear the screen now. We're going to go forward. Just read the next question from the original one. Question B. If shape A is reflected, so the key word here is reflected in the y-axis to give shape C. Mark the new coordinates of D for the shape. So if I go back quickly to the original image. Okay, now, so where is the y-axis? The y-axis is where?
Down.
If you do a straight line, the y-axis is all of this.
Yeah.
So this becomes our mirror. We're going to get this shape and we'll reflect it across the mirror. Okay, so let's try to redraw the shape now. So this is 2 points across, 2 points, that'll be 2 points there. And then bring it down. Okay, this one's going to go from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3,
4.
So I'm going to try to 4, and then we join these 2 points up. And that's my rough picture of that. So that would be the reflection, and that would be the shape C. So they want to know where is this point. So let's have a. So this is the point D here, which is 4, 2. That point will now go to there. Yeah. So that position is now going to be -4 and +2. -4 and +2. So let's go back to the answer. So it will be -4, 2, which is which one? The answer. Okay, Priyanka, you got that one right? So more of you got that one right. Okay, good. Right, let's get back to the question C now. If points x, y, and z are 3 corners of a square, mark the coordinates of the 4th corner. So that one I think should be much more of a clearer question. So I'm just going to delete this in a moment here. So let's go back to the image. Here we go. Back to highlighter. So we got this point here, x, y, z. Now these are 3 points of a square. The 4th point should then go There.
Minus.
And the coordinates of that should be, why is it minus?
No, 4, 6.
It should be 4 along the x and 6 along the y. So that coordinate there should be 4, 6.
Yay, we're right.
Okay, 4, 6. Right. So we go forward from this. And part C. So part C should be
4, 6.
4, 6, which is that one there. Okay, lovely. Let's read part. So let's delete this now, clear this, go to the next image. Part D. If shape A is translated to give shape E, here comes with some key words. Translated. Translated means moved, not reflected, not rotated, okay, not enlarged. It means physically like moved so many along the x and so many along the y. It's like a, so it stays in the same orientation. To give shape E, mark below the description of the translation. Okay, we're going from A to E. So let's get back to our diagram. Back to our diagram. There we go. So we got to get from this shape to this shape. So what we're going to do now, we are going to grab one corner and go to the same corner. So let's describe how we get from there to there. So we go first of all across by x. 1 jump, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going 4 along the 4 to the right. Okay. And then we're going to go down. So let's change color for that. We go for a different color. Okay, so we got 4, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we got 8, which is down. Okay. Now, in this particular answer that we got here, so I've got 4 across. Hang on a second. Let's just quickly write that down. 4 across and 8 down. Now, when we the only answer which matches it is 8 down and 4 right. So we say 4 across, okay, 4 to the right. Now, traditionally in mathematics, we do not describe the downward movement first. We always describe the cross movement first and then the down movement. But they're giving this answer back to front, so that's the closest one to match. That's how they've given it this particular question. So if we go to the question, so for question D, the closest answer we're going to have is 8 down and 4 right, which is that one. Okay. Okay, even though according to mathematics, they've actually described it wrong like that. Never mind. Okay, we're happy with that. Question number 1's done. All of it? Yeah. Okay, bismillah. Okay, folks, question number 2. The diagram below, the diagram shows the design of a garden. So we have here the grass, flower beds, and a path all the way around the garden. Question says, what is the perimeter of the outside of the path? The outside of the path. So question 2A. So let's have a look. You know, this is 11 meters here, and this is 18 meters. So let's just start from one place. So let's start from this corner. You can go any direction you like. You can go, so 11. And then we're going to add how much? 8. And then we have another 11. And then another 8. So if we're looking at the measurements, we have 11, 8, another 11, and another 8. And that's called the perimeter, is the distance around the path. So first of all, 11 at 8 will give us how much? 19. And then we have another 19 for the other half of the garden. So 19 at 19 will give us a total of 38. So what is the perimeter of the outside of the path? So we put here in the response box 38. The unit is already there. 38 meters is the answer for A. So who got that right? Okay, everybody got that right? Okay, Needy. Good. Okay, question B. I'm going to read it to you now. If the combined area of the 4 flower beds is 26 meters squared, what is the area of one flower bed? Right, so I'm just going to clear this page for the moment. Right, if the combined area of these four beds, so this one, this bed and that bed is 26 meters squared, what is the area of one flower bed? What do we do with the 26? We do 26 divided by 4, and then okay, let's have a look at that if you were doing it the bus stop method. So, how many 4s going to 2? The answer is 0. Remainder? How many 4s in 26? 6. Remainder? Okay, we've got to put a decimal point here and a 1 here and a 0 so we can extend the number. And the remainder was 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so put the 2 with the next 0, so 4s into 20 goes 5. So the answer for part B
6.5.
is 6.5 meters squared. I'm just writing here for the moment, just so we don't have to keep on flicking back to the next question. Okay, we're happy with the 6.5 meters squared.
Yeah.
Okay, question C, I'm going to quickly flick forward and then come back to it. Let's clear that. So we can see it live. Given that the paths are 1 meter wide, what is the area of the grass and the flower beds? Okay, right, let's go back. So, what is the area of the grass and the flower beds? Okay, question C. They want us to look at the area of which part. Let's have a look. Let's get a highlighter. This is the path. They want us to look at the area of the grass part and the flower bed. So basically, they want us to look at the area of the inside rectangle. So I'm going to highlight that with my trusty highlighter. Okay, so they want us to look at the area of all of this area over here. Now, what do we know? We know that the length of this part is worth, what is it? 9 meters. But we don't know the inside height. Do we know the maximum height is 8? And we minus 1, what's 8 minus 1? 7. And then minus another 1 on this side gives you 6. So the height of this must be 6. Because this is 6 from here to here. And then that's 7. And that's 8. So who managed to get the 6? Who managed to deduce that there was a 6 there? Free-handed, we managed to realize there's a 6. Okay. So we got 9 times by 6 is going to be, it's the area of that inside highlight is length times by width. So it's going to be 9 times by 6, which is going to be equal to 54 meters squared. And that is the answer for question 2C, because we can't see everything at the same time. So question 2C, that is the full answer. Okay, I'm going to read to you now question D. Do some work on this side. Yes, come on. Okay, question D. I'm reading question D to you. What is the area of the grass part alone? Right, let's just first of all get rid of this highlighted part here. Oops, sorry, oh, no, something else. Okay, let's go to this. Okay, so what they want us to work out now is the area of the grass alone. So what we just worked out in this last question, which is the area of this inside garden part. So that was, what was the area of all of that? 54. So we started with 54 meters squared, and then we're going to minus the area of this and this and this and this, which was given to us earlier as 26 meters squared. So we know from question B that the area of the flower beds is 26. So the area of this rectangle here minus the area of the inside bits will give us the area of the grass. Composite shape. Okay, so we got 54 minus 26. So who's feeling brave and work out this question? Okay. Alright, let's quickly change color. Get a bit. Alright, 4 take away 6. Can we do it? No. Borrow. That becomes 4. 14. 14 take away 6 will give us an answer of 8. Excellent. 4 take away 2 will give us 2. So question D, 2D is 28 meters squared is the area of the grass alone. Okay. Now, I'm going to read again to you question E. It says, what is the ratio of the area of the grass to the area of the flower beds? Okay, where are we going to do E? I'm going to rub this part of here and do E over here on this side. Okay. I trust you with that.
Okay.
Okay, alright. So the ratio of the grass to the flower bed. So grass to flower beds. Now we just worked out the grass. The grass, what was the grass? 28 on this side. And what was the area of the flower beds? 26. 26. Okay, now we need to simplify this ratio, and we simplify it by dividing by 2, by the highest common factor. So divide that by 2, divide that by 2. 28 divided by 2 will give us an answer of 14. And 26 divided by 2 will give us an answer of 13. And that is question 2E, all done and dusted. And that's all of question 2 done. Right, get that right? Now put your hand if you got that one right. Wow. Good. Okay. Now question number 3, the graph below shows the number of medals won by different countries in the London Olympics. So we have the country along the bottom, G8, Russia, China, okay, R of Korea, okay, Germany, and we have the number of medals won here, which is the frequency, and we have gold is in the white bars, silver is the black bars, and bronze is the stripy bars. Okay. Question 3A. Question is asking, what is the median number of bronze medals won? Now, first, what does the word median mean? Put your hand up, please. Median means
when you order them and then the middle
is the middle one. So you got to order them and put the middle one. So let's have a look at bronze. Bronze one is going to be the lined bar. Okay, not line bar. That's something completely different. Okay, so let's have a look. So what's for G8? What do we get for G8? So 15, 16, 17, 18. Is that 19?
Yeah.
19. So if you go across here, that's 19 for this one. Okay, the Russia, how many did Russia get? 32. Okay, how many did China get?
23.
That's right, 23. And how many did R of Korea get? Korea?
7.
Soon find out. Whoops. Whoa. Yeah, 7. And what about Germany?
14.
Yes, one before the 15. Okay, right. Let's get rid of that. That's not very nice. Okay, and let's do that. Lovely. So that one's 14. So what we need to do, we need to put this order of size. Let's put them now. So what's the smallest number?
7.
Then
14.
okay, then
19.
and then
22. 23.
and then
32.
so how many values do you have altogether?
5.
5 values. And you want the middle value?
19.
19.
Yes.
So 19 is the median. So question, what is the median number of bronze medals? So the answer will be 19. So question 3A, the answer up here is 19. Okay, I'm going to read to you now question 3B because everything's to do with this graph. I can't keep going backwards and forwards. I'll read it out to you. Question 3B. What is the mean number of silver medals won by these countries? The mean number. Okay. So they are asking about the mean now. Okay. So what does the word mean mean? Yeah, somebody else now, not the same person. Okay, let's have Iman. What do you get for the mean?
You add up all the numbers and divide by the total.
Divided by the total. So what is the mean number of silver medals? Right, let's work out for silver now. Okay. Where's silver? And the silver one, what color is that? That's going to be the... So that's the first silver one.
17.
That's the second silver one.
26. 27.
Okay, silver one. Make sure I'm doing the right one, folks.
8.
If you see me doing the wrong one, say you've done the wrong one. lightly. I'm just trying to draw lines so I can see it nicely. That's how we read it off. Okay, and one more. Is that on the same level or higher?
It's higher.
By 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some values on there quickly, folks. Right. What was it for GB?
17.
So GB, is everybody happy with 17?
Yes.
Okay. What's happened here? We lost the pen.
26.
Okay. 17. What do we get for Russia?
36.
20?
6.
26. What do we get for China?
27.
Okay, we happy 27, folks, everybody?
Yes.
27. And the next one we get?
8.
8, and the last one is?
9.
9. So what we need to do is we need to add these numbers up and divide it by 5, because we've got 5 countries there. So let's do that then. So this is 3 part B. So we got 17, add 26, add 27, add 8, and add, what's the last one? 9. Okay, we've lost the pen. It just got flicked off. We add them up. Okay, let's see. So 7 add 7 will give us 14. 14 add 6 will give us 20. Add 8 will give us 28. Add 9 will give us
37.
Okay. Right. And then we have 1 add 2 is
3.
3 add 2 is
5.
5 add 3 is
8.
so the total is
87.
87. And now we need to divide that by 5. Let's do the calculation for that. Let's just do it here. So we need to extend the 87 into 87.0 at least. So let's have a look. So 5 into 8 is 1 remainder 3. 5 into 37 goes how many times? 7. 5. Okay. So 5 times by 7 is 35, remainder 2. So how many 5s in 20?
4.
4. So that gives you an answer of 17.4. Okay. Will be the mean number of silver medals. So 3B is 17.4. Okay, right. Did you manage to get that one? Okay, good. Let's read part C. So I'm going to read part C to you now. If Hungary won 1/6 of the number of gold medals won by Russia, how many gold medals did Hungary win? Right, let's get rid of all this first. Okay, so we're going to look at the gold medals for Russia. So where's Russia? Russia's here. Gold medals is which one? The white one. So how many gold ones do we have?
24.
24. And we know that the Hungary won 1/6 of 24. So we're going to work out 1/6 of 24.
4.
1/6 of 24 is simply 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So that question should give us an answer of 4. That's question 3C. Question 3C, the answer is 4. 3D. What is the highest common factor of the number of gold and bronze medals won by Russia? Highest common factor of gold and bronze won by Russia. So, what was the gold again? Gold, we worked it out to be 24. So let's change the color here. So this is 3 part D. So gold. So gold, we got, what did we say for gold? 24. And now we need to look at the bronze. The bronze is going to be this one here. So we go across, what will give us? What's bronze? 32. Highest common factor. Highest common factor is the biggest number that will divide into both numbers without leaving a remainder. So what number will go into 24 and 32 without leaving a remainder? The highest common factor is 8.
Yes.
Okay. Question 3E. What is the lowest common multiple of the number of silver and bronze for Republic of Korea? Okay. LCM of the Republic. Okay, for looking for silver and bronze. So what's silver? Silver was?
8.
Silver was 8. Okay, and the bronze for Republic of Korea was? With bronze, which one was bronze? Bronze one was?
7.
7. So 8 and 7. Now multiples are to do with the times tables.
1.
So what is the smallest number in both times tables? 56. Well done. Okay, was that easy? We got it wrong. Excellent. Well done. So LCM is 56. Okay, so that's why it's important not to scream out that something was easy. Before we need a bit more quicker now. Okay, a pinball released at point A and then deflected at point B, coming to a rest at C. So pinball goes from here to there and stops there. What is the sum of the interior angles in a triangle? Everybody should know this one. 180 degrees. The inside angles always added to 180. What is the size of angle X? Now, angle X here. This angle, add this angle, add this angle will also give us a total of 180. This angle here, with the little rectangle there, is, what angle is it? 90. So we do 90, and we add 56 to it. 90 and 56 gives us 146. We minus this from 180. So 180 minus 146 will give us the X. And that gives us an answer of 34. Excellent. So 34 is X. So that's part B. 34 degrees. Okay, I'll read to you part C. If lines AC and BC are of equal length, AC and BC. So if this length here and this length are equal, what type of triangle would this be? So if you have two equal lines, then it must be an... Okay, so part C, we're going to say the answer will be I. Isosceles, and we'll color that one in. Part D, how many lines of symmetry does the triangle ABC have?
1.
So ABC, okay, question 4D, ABC. Now, they're saying that it is equal length, so we'll have one line of symmetry which will be there. So D, isosceles triangles always have one line of symmetry. One line of reflective symmetry. Question E. Okay, it says, what is the size of angle Y? Now, what also do we know? We know that the angles at a point on a straight line, so here's the straight line, these are all the angles there. So this angle plus the missing angle must add up to 180. So 56 at 74, if you minus that from 180, that will give us a Y angle of 50 degrees. So question E is 50 degrees. Question 5. Question 5A. What is the input for number machine 1? So we are looking number machine 1. Something times by 12. Take away 3 cubed will give us 81. What's 3 cubed?
27.
27. Something times by 12. So we call that in a sense like x and times by 12. So it becomes 12x. And then we minus the, was it 27?
Yeah.
And that gives us an answer of
81.
81. Wow, that's big.
Mota.
Okay. Right, so we have 81 over here. Okay. Lovely. Now you've got to work out the value of x. Right. Can you have some technique now, please? Right. Okay, Iman. You've got to work out the x. You've got time by 12 is the first action. Minus 27 is the second action. Which action do we move first? The second action. We grab the minus 27. If we take it to the other side, we've been doing this work in your lesson. So opposite of minus 27 is? Add 27. Okay. Let's have Uzma 81 add 27 will give us an answer of? 108. 180. I'm just copy down the 12x over here, make it a bit more closer, even though it's over there. Now, the next part, let's have Harun. I want to work out the x, not 12x. So what do we do with the 12? 12 is a times. Opposite times by 12 is?
Divide by 12.
Divide by 12.
That's
Okay.
9.
So X will give us an answer of 9. Lovely, beautiful. Question 5A is done. 5A is equal to 9. I'm not going to move the sheet up and down. You can leave it there. I'm going to read out the questions to you. Question part B. Right, so let's clear this page. You got all that done? Everybody? Was there? You got it done?
Yes.
Right, question part B, 5B. What is the positive square root of the output from machine number 3? Machine number 3. So machine number 3 is talking about what number?
144.
144. So we have to get 144 and square root it. So what number multiply itself gives you 144 is? Well, actually, it's plus and minus 12 is the correct mathematical answer. But they're only interested in the positive answer. So we can get our little rubber and we don't need this bottom part of the answer. So we can say quite safely for part B the answer is 12. Yeah, just literally just 12. We can get rid of that as well. A plus. That's not necessary for this particular answer. 12. Part C. What is the product of the inputs from number machines 1 and 2? Right, put your hand up if you can tell me what the meaning of the word product is. Iman. Many times. The word product means times. Does it mean like a product in a shop? You know, like you're going to buy some pair of trousers or something, or some trainers as a product. Product in mathematics means times. So, let's have a look. Of the inputs of machine 1 and 2, what was the input for machine 1? We just said, what was it?
9.
So machine 1 was a 9. And what was it for machine 2? Did we work out for machine 2? No, let's work it out. So we have x times by 21. We can write that down as 21x, yeah? And then add 4 squared. What's 4 squared?
16.
Add 16. And that will give us an answer of 121. Now we need to solve this one as well. So we need to work out the value of x. We got times by 21 and add 16. Opposite of add 16, we move that first is minus 16. So we have 121. So we can minus 11 and then minus 5. That will give us a total of 105. Excellent. And then we got 21x. So opposite time by 21 is 21. So x is equal to 105 divided by 21. And that will give us a nice lovely answer of 5. Okay, 105 divided by 21 will give us 5 for this one here. Okay, which is 5? Is this one 5, yeah?
Yeah.
We haven't done the question yet. That's part of the working out. The question says, what is the product? So we can get 9 and 5 and we have to multiply them. 9 times by 5 will give us 45 is then the correct answer for 5 part C. So 5C is 45. Are we happy with all that? Okay, let's clear the square. So 5C is 45. Let's just rub some of this stuff off so make it a bit more clean for our next part of the question. Leave the answer there for the moment. Okay. 5C, 5D. Right. Okay, pen. 5 part D. What is the output from number machine 3? What is the output from the number machine 3 less than the output from the number machine 1? So what was the output from number machine 3? Output from machine number 3 was 144. Okay. And what was for machine number 1? 81. The wording says, what is the output from number machine 3 less than that one? So what do we do with these two numbers? What do you do with them? For question D, what do we do with those two numbers? We
find out the difference.
At the difference, well done. So you have 144 and we minus the 81. So 4 take away 1 is? 3. 4 take away 8 we can't do. So we have 14 take away 8 and that will give us 63 is the answer. So 63 is the answer for 5D. So 5D has an answer of 63. Who got that one right? Okay. Okay. Right. 5 part E. What is the lowest common multiple of the inputs for number machines 1 and 2? Okay, what were the numbers for number 1 and 2?
5 and 9.
Okay, let's have a look. So we do 5A. So what, can you remind me again? So A was what?
9.
9. And B was?
5.
5. So we're looking for the LCM of 9 and 5. The lowest common multiple of 9 and 5 is the smallest number in both timetables, which will give us 45. Excellent. 45. That's E done.